welcome to my brand new review. It's your boy HD Gameplay, and in this review we'll test how to get Roblox free Robux absolutely free, safe and online without downloading any modded APKs or any software. Guys, you can do it with your Android, your iOS devices, or even with your PC. So for a start, let's go to Google and search Roblox free Robux Blockspan. Click this website, guys, Blockspan. It should load up and it will detect you as a real human. So there we will enter our Roblox username or our user ID. So guys, don't worry, because it's the only thing that we will actually enter here. So I will continue with my username and just click connect the server. It will start searching for our user account, and guys, if it's your account, just click connect and boom, there we go. Now we will select our Robux amount. Just click on this drop down, guys, select your Robux amount. I will select currently the maximum, it's 1 million. Click continue and let's wait until this loads up, this API. So guys, make sure to subscribe to my channel to stay updated with all these kind of reviews and tutorials. And let's see, nice. Look at this, guys, resources are ready. Our million Robux is ready. Look at this, guys. And now we will have to click verify and complete now, because there is a lot of malicious bot attempts. Just click verify and complete now. And let's see what we will get after this. So we should get, nice, guys, imported. Successfully imported million Robux. Our username is connected. And now, guys, we can close this window and we can open our Roblox to see are we actually getting our Robux. So guys, before you get this imported page, if you're detected as a bot, you might be asked to complete 2 simple tasks from the list. Don't worry, because all tasks are free and safe, and you can complete it under 2 minutes of your time. So guys, when you complete 2 tasks, you will get this imported page with your Robux imported and your account connected. So guys, just close this page, and after this, open your Roblox. So let's see, guys, I will open this and let's see what we'll get after this. And look at this, guys, we're actually getting our Roblox. I cannot believe that we actually got million Robux just as we selected, guys. I'm so excited because it actually worked. After testing a lot of websites, blockspan.com was the only working so far, guys. If you cannot do this, just comment your username down below and I can send it for you. Just like this video, comment your username down below, your amount of Robux that you want, and I will send it for you, guys. And that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you enjoyed and found it helpful. If you do, make sure to like this video, to comment down below, and to subscribe to my channel. And once again, thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.